or bad? Dave Mark was asking. Of course, good. Cash and 10. Come on. 10x, baby. Look at those multi.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment. Not for your main job to make money.
€1,000 special compliments and betting time. You can join in for the new spin. Give a shout out to your country in the chat if you don't mind. Where are you from? What time is it for you? Did you have some breakfast already? No more, but thank you. It is about 7:15 a.m. here in Latvia. Still good luck kind of early on this Wednesday. I'll be here in the session with you for about 15 more minutes. Hopefully we keep getting a lot of bonuses. 3x and 5 top slot there, players. What? No way. No way. Pachinko again. 4 Pachinkos in one session? Hey, what? Hi. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. Woohoo! Could be from 2 up to 200x. Again, could be some doubles maybe this time. I don't think we had doubles yet. 3x first, moving on to 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 30, 500, 200. Okay, we're stepping it up, baby. 200x is the highest you could win. There's also 100, one of each side, one red on each side. Come on, good luck. Stun all. Hope all get the 200x. Woo-wee. Let's drop it. Drop it like it's hot. Ooh, ooh. No way! Ah, yes! Yes! 200x! We did it! Good job, all the beautiful winners. 10,361 winners. Let's go. Bets are open.
Bets closed. Thank you. Top slot number 2 and 25 times multiply. You win with a 2, that's a 50 to 1 payout. Crazy time, players. Follow me, please. Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This wheel has 3 flappers, a green one, blue one, yellow one. Please choose a flapper and let's see what kind of multiplier I can offer you. Time is limited. You can let the game decide for you as well. Alright, ladies, gentlemen. Maximum multiply 100x, good luck to you. Oh, there's a double on the green flapper. We'll spin the wheel one more time, and we will enhance the multipliers on this wheel. Maximum multiply 200x now. Good luck. Another double. I like where this is going. By the way, there's a 15x in blue and 50x in yellow. Now, maximum multiplier is worth 400x. Good luck, please. $200x multiplier. Okay, congratulations, players. What a round. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy your win.
Again is yours. Couple of seconds left. Okay, betting time is over. Good luck. Alrighty then, 4x on number 1. Come on. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, yeah. See that? Very cutesy, very demure. Crazy time. Let's go. Hello there, mates. All right, welcome to Crazy World, guys. There we go. Let's have some fun with this one. Ooh, that's a lot of doubles up there. Okay, we ready? Decision time. All yours. Have to choose a flapper, green, blue, yellow situation. Of course, you can leave it to auto pick as you wish. Okay, shall we? Guys, highest multiplier, 100x. Boom, I wish you good luck. Let's go. Ooh la la. Alrighty then. 10x for blue, 25x for green, yellow though, going for that double. Well, let's double the fun and let's spin again. Ladies and gentlemen, max multi-no 200x. Catch out. Good luck. Ooh la la! Well, that's another double for the yellow. Come on now. More doubles, more fun. All right, let's go again, guys. Highest multi now, 400x. Boom! Come on now, let's go. And boom! That's another double, baby. Wow, okay. I see how it is. Let's go again, guys. Max multi 800x. Catch out. Good luck. What is happening? That's another double. Boom, another double for the yellow flapper. Come on now, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, max multi, 1,600x. Catch out, good luck. Alrighty then, and that's the new highest win of the day, 320x for the yellow flapper. Congratulations. Welcome back, guys. Great job. However, beautiful. That went over 8.4 thousand euros. Let's go. Very nice. Very cutesy. Very demure. All right, bets are closed. Here we go again. And boom, we have a new highest win of the day. I can't breathe. Betting time. All yours once more. So, feel free to place your next bets. That is, if you wish to participate next round. Yes, of course. Final countdown. Alrighty then, betting time is over. Let's go again. Good luck, everybody. Okay, we have first on a crazy time. Up, up. Oppa, mamma mia, look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, wham bam shabam again. Crazy time, 4x top slot. Let's go. Hey, 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 welcome back, my friends. Let's go. Welcome back to Crazy World. 4x tops on multiplier. Well, very cutesy, very demure. Okay, let's go. Let's add the 4x top slot. Yummy. Okay. Well, the toughest part of it all, guys. Decision time, all yours. You have to choose a flapper. Green, blue, yellow situation all over again. Of course, you can leave it to auto pick as you wish. Oh boy. Okay, you ready? Highest multi, guys, 400x. Good luck to you. Let's go. Woohoo! Let's go. 60x for blue and yellow, 400x for green. Congratulations. and welcome back, guys. Beautiful, marked up in 40K. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is another new highest win of the day. Thank you very much. Okay, let's close. Look at us go.
56, the best winnings. Amazing. Betting time if there's someone new or rejoining as well. Welcome. Eve's now here will be the host for the session. Let's to the crazy stand world. Crazy stand game. Go. Let's get the money. No, that. Let's get the cash. Good Eve or bad Eve? Mark was asking. Of course, good. Cash and 10X. Is that even a question? Obviously good. Guys, let's go. Obviously good Eve. Cash on with 10X. Is this even a question? Is Eve good or not? Obviously 10X cash on, guys. I can brag now. Look at the multis and bam! Come on. 10X, babies. Look at those multis. Best one, 1000X. 1000X. Oh, yeah, guys. You have a chance to get 1000X here, guys. Can you comprehend this? I hope you love me now, guys. This was a great gift from me to you. Pick one symbol, just say there's a chance to get 1000X somewhere. So yeah, anyways, pick one symbol, whatever you like least, most. I don't know how you're picking. Let's see how many of you will guess that 1000X. Like, guys, I'm excited. Where is it? I don't know if I'll be able to find it because everything's literally orange. 1K here in the middle, shining really bright. Mwah! Congrats to you!
That's close. How many minutes left on this session for you? I will leave in the next couple of hours. I hope that is good enough. 5x on cash on the top one. Oh! Cash on with a 5x, baby! Come on, give us a 500. Give us a 500. I want to see 2,500. Come on, buddy. Okay, 100x. But now, 5x on top of all of this, and look at that. 500x is the maximum. Epic. Let's do the shuffle. Wow. 500x. Yeah, the board is hot. Let's make a shuffle. And now make your decision, everybody. What do you think hides the 500? Everybody's going to get paid. It's at least 2 digits for all of you. It should be. Yeah. I'll go with this bunny. 25x. I love bunnies even more now. 500 is there. 3 people got it. A lot of people are at 250x. Enjoy the winnings. Well done. Ramsey Tom with a special compliment, and betting time is yours once again. Welcome to Crazy Time. My name is Yuri. That was hot.
Who wants to place your bets? What about the top slot? Hi, Ursula. 5 with the 7x top slot. Guys, it's a top slot win for coin flip. It's a coin flip with a top slot 7x. But that's a top slot win, okay? This is the third time you're getting top slot for coin flip. Red and blue, we are placing the coin for the blue here. 100x the highest. 50x at 4x at 7x. 28x and 350x. Come on, 350x. Let's do the flip. Please, red. Yeah! That's a 350x for the coin flip. Woohoo! Now the 4 winners got 350. Please bets if you want to, and let's see what is next. Hi, Dig Big. How you doing? We
Okay, last reason was 25, 15, and 100. I don't know what myself right now. I completely forgot, honestly. Metriclus, thank you, and Joe's, thank you. I know yellow had 100 for crazy time, and then there was 15 and 25. But which one was which? 7X and cash in. Stay! Oh my! Guys, this is gonna be a great session. Wow! Cash in with 7X from top slot. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cash in. Nice. So, let's see what multipliers we have. 100 right there, but hold on. Just a second. 7X, guys. Now the max multiplier is 700X. Yeah, that's awesome. That's the maximum. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Whew. That is chef's kiss. Chef's kiss, guys. So, let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, now is going to be probably the hardest thing you'll have to do is pick. Which one do you think has a good win? Which one do you think has that sweet, amazing 700X? Probably, again, the hardest choice here. Let's reveal, okay? Ta-da! 700. There you go. It's right there, guys. It's right there. And some people actually got it. That is amazing. Congratulations to 1,150 winners. Good luck connection. Of course, now, but sure, so go ahead. Place your bets if you want to. And let's see what's next. Hi, Bingo Plus. How you doing? How'd you do? How'd you do, guys? That is awesome, Bingo Plus. That is awesome. 350. Love that. Best of close.
Again. Betting time is now closed. Top slot gives us Pachinko with a 5X again. Could we get it this time? Too fast. No? Oh, not too fast, not too slow. Perfectly on tact as we get the Pachinko with a 5X. So, ladies and gentlemen, our second Pachinko of the session. Both Pachinkos with the top slot as well. That's interesting. This time, instead of a 2X, we have a 5X. So we begin with a 25 already, followed by 35, 50. Okay, math is too advanced for me. 500X is the highest, basically. The lowest is 25. Okay, this is looking pretty nice. I ain't gonna lie. 500 would be very nice to get. Where are we dropping it? Ooh, the perfect spot. Good luck. It's going somewhere. 100 at least, come on. 170, 500. Boom, baby! Woo! 500X Pachinko. Nice. Congrats to 1,856 winners that time. XBFS and Ilraj and Make Me Rich, the top 3. Congrats to you guys. Let's go again. Nice little Pachinko. Nice little 500X. Betting time now.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.